Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart washing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the COSTWAY portable washing machine. This is a twin tub design that combines a washer and spinner in one compact unit, making it highly versatile and perfect for small living spaces like dorms, RVs, or apartments. With a total capacity of 20 pounds, it can handle a decent amount of laundry, split between 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. It's equipped with a timer control, allowing you to customize your wash and spin cycles based on your needs, with up to 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning. This flexibility is ideal for people who want more control over their laundry process. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. While the polypropylene build keeps it sturdy, it does lack the premium feel of stainless steel. That being said, the COSTWAY washer is highly effective, with a powerful 330-watt motor for washing and 110 watts for spinning. It's efficient and gets the job done quickly, saving time and energy. However, the absence of advanced features like child lock or multiple wash programs makes it more suited to users seeking simplicity over innovation. In terms of value, the COSTWAY machine is a great option for those who prioritize portability and efficiency over luxury. Its simple knob controls make it user-friendly, even for the elderly. However, the lack of an automatic water inlet adapter might require an extra purchase for proper setup. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-frills washing solution, this one is worth considering. Pros include the large capacity and ease of use, while cons include its basic design and limited wash cycle options. At number 4, we have the Zyrch portable washing machine. As the budget option on our list, it offers impressive functionality at an affordable price point of $249.99. This washer features a 2.3 cubic foot capacity, making it larger than many other portable models. It's fully automatic with 10 wash programs, 4 water level settings, and 8 water temperature options, giving you a high degree of customization for your laundry. It also includes a child lock for added safety, and the intuitive LED display helps you keep track of the remaining time for each cycle. The design is sleek and compact, with a durable silver finish that fits well in modern spaces. Weighing in at 49 pounds, it's relatively easy to move, making it ideal for apartments, RVs, or dorms. The built-in automatic imbalance correction system ensures smooth operation, reducing vibration and noise during use. While its performance is solid for day-to-day laundry tasks, the 17.7-pound capacity may feel limiting for larger households. However, for smaller families or individuals, this washer is a great fit. In terms of value, the Zyrch model excels as a budget-friendly, feature-rich option. It's easy to use and delivers consistent results, but it does lack some of the premium features seen in higher-end models, like energy efficiency ratings or ultra-quiet operation. If you're on a budget and need a reliable compact washer, this one ticks a lot of boxes. Pros include the large capacity, multiple wash programs, and affordability. Cons include its slightly noisier operation and the lack of advanced energy-saving features. Taking the third spot, we have the BLACK+DECKER portable washer. With its compact 0.9 cubic foot capacity and a sleek white design, this washer is perfect for small spaces like apartments or homes. It offers 5 wash cycles: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, giving you the flexibility to handle a variety of laundry needs. Designed for cold water washes only, it's energy efficient, and the stainless steel tub ensures durability and rust resistance over time. Additionally, it comes with a safety-oriented child lock and auto-unbalance detection to maximize performance. What sets this washer apart is its portability. Equipped with 2 roller wheels and side handles, it's easy to move and store when not in use. The included Quick Connect Sync adapter simplifies setup, making it a user-friendly choice. With a 6.6-pound capacity, it's best suited for individuals or couples with lighter laundry loads. However, the cold water-only feature may not appeal to everyone, especially for those who prefer hot water washes for certain fabrics. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer offers excellent value at $259.99. It's well-built, easy to use, and highly portable, making it a great choice for those in smaller living spaces. However, its smaller capacity and cold water-only limitation may not work for everyone. Pros include its lightweight design, durable stainless steel tub, and ease of portability. Cons include its limited capacity and the absence of hot water settings. Coming in at number 2 is the Euhomy 1.59 cubic foot portable washing machine. With an 11-pound capacity and 8 wash functions, this model is a versatile option for families or individuals with a medium laundry load. The stainless steel drum is durable, and the machine offers 8 water levels, allowing you to fine-tune your wash cycles based on the load size. The child lock and adjustable leveling legs provide additional safety and stability, especially if you're using it on an uneven surface. Design-wise, the Euhomy washer features a modern gray finish and a clear lid, giving it a sleek, contemporary look. At 62.6 pounds, it's heavier than some other portable models, but it's still manageable with the right setup. The transparent cover and LED display make it easy to monitor your laundry, and the built-in drain pump ensures efficient water removal. Performance-wise, it handles a variety of clothing fabrics well, with modes like soak, wash, spin, air dry, and more. However, the semi-automatic operation might require a bit more attention than fully automatic models. Priced at $299.99, the Euhomy washer strikes a great balance between performance and affordability. It's ideal for small to medium-sized households looking for a reliable, durable machine with a good range of features. Pros include its multiple wash modes, durable build, and safety features. Cons include its heavier weight and semi-automatic operation, which might not suit users looking for a completely hands-off experience. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the COMFEE 1.6 cubic feet portable washing machine. This premium model offers a fantastic combination of performance, design, and convenience. With an 11-pound capacity and 6 wash programs, normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. It's highly versatile and suitable for various laundry needs. The machine features a stainless steel inner tub for durability and an energy-efficient motor that reduces energy consumption by up to 84% compared to similar models. The delay start and reloading feature also add to its convenience, allowing you to plan your laundry around your schedule. The design is compact yet robust, with dimensions that make it easy to store while still offering a spacious drum for larger loads. The magnetic gray finish gives it a premium look, and the built-in wheels make it easy to move around. The LED display is intuitive, and the child lock ensures safety for households with kids. What really sets this model apart is its seamless performance. It's quiet, stable, and efficient, making it a top choice for apartments, RVs, and even camping trips. At $358, the COMFEE washer is the most expensive on our list. But it's worth every penny for those seeking a high-quality, fully automatic portable washer. It's the perfect choice for families or individuals who want a hassle-free laundry experience with excellent performance. Pros include its energy efficiency, premium build quality, and advanced features like delay start. Cons include the higher price point, but its performance justifies the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.